guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going wedding. So guys, I'm doing wedding guest makeup today. Guys, I'm adding little bit new products. So I'm showing what outfits I'm going to wear and what kind of makeup I'm going to create. So let's begin. So I prepped my skin already. I apply the toner and the moisturizing. So it's very important to do your skin prep before the makeup. So first I'm going to apply the sun skin lotion. Today I'm also using my favorite products from Forever Living Aloe Vera Sunscreen SPF 30 high production with UVA and UVB. So guys, I'm applying quite thick because it's very hot outside. So don't forget to apply in your neck. Then I'm going to leave my skin at least 1 to 3 minutes to absorb product into my skin. Next, I'm using the eye cream. Today also I'm using again my favorite eye cream from the Forever Living Aloe Vera. This is the non-greasy products, very lightweight. Then I'm using the lip balm, again Vaseline, this is the Rosy, to keep my lip smooth and plump. Then I'm going to apply the primer. So primer today I'm using from Revolution Pore Blur Primer. This is really nice products. So guys, always treat your neck same as your face skin. Next, I'm going to use the corrector. So corrector I'm going to use to cover my under eyes, black circles and patchiness side my mouth and little bit black patches here. So correcting today I'm using from the Derma color correcting. You can see it's a lot of color there. So I'm going to use the orange according to my skin tone. Then I'm taking small brush. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes. Only I'm apply where I need it to cover all this black patches or under black eye. So I apply like that. Next I'm going to apply the foundation. The foundation I'm going to use from the NYX Born to Glow Caramel. I'm going to mix some BB cream. This is the Nude with SPF 20 sunscreen. This foundation is a light coverage to medium coverage. Then I'm going to take little bit BB cream. Then I'm taking flat brush. Then I'm going to mix. When it's mixed properly, then I'm going to apply. I'm using brush today. Then apply in my neck little bit, left over. Then going to blend properly till the smooth. Very important to blend properly to get very nice base. If your base is not very good, you can't get very good result in makeup. Otherwise your foundation will be cakey or very thick, uneven apply. Don't need to use too much products, but otherwise very thick blanket on your skin. Especially in the summer weather, we need a very light weight foundation. Then I'm using the concealer. Concealer today I'm using from JACLYN Medium Natural. Apply my forehead little bit near my mouth. Then I'm using the sponge. Then going to blend, press down. I'm not going to drag. Then I'm using the Revolution Match Reflection Translucent Powder. Taking a small beauty sponge, then gently press, otherwise become crease. Next I'm doing my eyebrow. So today I'm using Revolution eyebrow soap to get floppy looks. Then I'm taking eyebrow brush, then cup of pore. Then I'm taking water, then spray, then mixing together. Press very hard upward. Then I'm going to let it dry a little bit. Eyebrow pencil today I'm using from the Revolution. Then I'm going to slightly fill the gaps, very light way. Don't like look very heavy. Then next I'm going to clean the eyebrow. I'm using the same concealer. Then taking very small flat brush like that. Then taking the products like that. Then going to apply. Then apply the same on the top of the eyebrow like that. Same concealer I'm going to apply on top of my eyelid. Then I'm taking the beauty sponge. Then I'm taking clean brush. You need to make sure it's blend properly. Then again I'm taking the translucent powder and I'm going to apply upper lid my eyes. Then I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. This is from the MORPHE 35T Sweetest Tea. Look at the guys, beautiful colors I have got. So first I'm going to take this color, OG Cream. Then apply eye crease. Taking very small amount first, then build up. Then I'm taking second color, Chili Movement. Then I apply again my eye crease. Then I'm taking third color, Dream in it. Taking little bit small brush. Then just going to pack in outer corner. And inner corner. Then going to take the clean brush, then blend out. Then I'm taking little bit brown color, then using my finger, just apply in the middle. This is beautiful color. Then I'm taking the black eyeshadow, then apply the corner of my eyes. Then going to blend out. Next I'm using the eyebrow pencil, black, then apply. Going to highlight my eyebrow bone. Mascara I'm using from PS False Affair Effects. So guys, I've done my eye makeup. Contouring today I'm using from Studio London Cream Contour Stick. I love this product. I'm using the beauty sponge. Then just blend upward. Then I'm going to use the blush. Today I'm using, this is the new products from the JACLYN Cream Blush Stick. Beautiful color. This is very, very creamy. It's beautiful color. That's very pigmented. Then I'm going to apply highlighters from Revelation. Next I'm using the lip liner. This is from Silk. I'm going to apply liquid lipstick from the KIKO. So guys, this is a final look. So I'm going to change my clothes and do my hair, then come back. So guys, this is my final look. I've got beautiful lehenga with a pink top and cream color the bottom. It's absolutely stunning. So no time for to do hair, so I'm going to keep simple straight because I have got quite heavy makeup, so I want to keep my hair simple. So guys, hopefully you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.